Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is gold chart. Today I am going to analyze with you Fed's American Central Bank's interest rate decision on next week 14th June. That is the most volatile economic event in this month. In next future behavior of dollars getting strong or weakness. For this gold chart, now I am in daily chart. You can see the gold price is now in this trend line. This is trend line. This gold price is going to the upside or going to the downside, break this trend line and going to the downside. It will be depend on the interest rate decision with the FOMC meeting next week 14th June. So you should talk with the Federal Reserve, American Central Bank's FOMC meeting next week 14th June. That is the more volatile economic event regarding US dollar, and it will be help to the gold directions going upside or downside decision. So that's the Reuters news is mentioned Fed rate hike pause is still likely despite strong data. So still Fed is searching strong data to interest rate pause on June. That's the Reuters mention. So I would like to share with you that's the Fed's watch tool websites. That's the Fed watch tool website. I am in here. You can see in here 76.5% is forecasting is Federal Reserve's is next interest rate pause. That's the 76% is targeting next interest rate will be Fed's Federal Reserve, and 23.5% is forecasting that's the probability to 25 BPS interest rate hike in next FOMC meeting to 5.25 to 5.5. Current interest rate is 5.25. So more probability is in Fed's tool is indicates is more 76% is probability to pause interest rate in next FOMC meeting in June 14. So this Fed will be pause interest rates in June. That will be effect to the dollar depreciate, dollar sell off, and gold will be buy to the upside, gold getting huge demand to the upside about 2000 level. That you should remember what I am say in 14th June Federal Reserve getting pause in will be paused in interest rate in 5.25 interest rate, hold that position in 5.25. that will be effect to the dollar depreciate, dollar sell off, and that is to help gold get the demand about 2000 level. So that's the my analyzing targeting in the Fed's interest rates is the more volatile event to dollars direction and also gold direction. So my Telegram link is below for your accurate gold signals, updates, and economic data technically analysis. Always update. You can join with it. So that's the more volatile economic events that is in. For I am going to the Forex factory website. So that's the 14th May. You can see in here that the 5.25 is the federal currency interest rate, and the interest rate decisions FOMC meeting in 14th June. So next week is the more volatile economic event in regarding US dollar. So you will touch with the Fed's interest rate decision next week. So updates with always in economic data if you are trading with gold. So thank you very much.